It's not my family. In your head, they are fighting with their tanks and their bombs and their guns in your head.